Hello everyone, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ and I'm here to introduce the latest addition to the Focus series. Welcome, the Focus Flex L19. Let's talk a little bit about the output. So first of all, this unit features 19 40-watt RGBL LEDs, which is going to be very bright and very punchy. In addition, the zoom range is a very narrow 4.3 degrees to a very wide 50 degrees. That's part of why this is the Focus Flex series. Being able to zoom down to 4.3 is going to give you a very tight, narrow beam that will slice through the haze and fog of any atmosphere, big or small. And then being able to zoom out to 50, that will completely colorize an entire stage. It's just going to be super punchy and super bright. We didn't stop there. You have full pixel control of all 19 LEDs. That's right. So if you've got a fancy pixel engine in your controller, you can run this like lo-fi video if you want. Or if you don't want to use up all those channels, but you still want to take advantage of the pixel control, you do have a foreground and background color palette that you can choose with several different programs that are built in that utilize the effects of the pixels that allow you to control the speed and the fade, keeping you in a lower channel mode. Now with these being RGBL LEDs, they kind of wear two hats. Of course they will mix virtually any color that you can imagine, but the great part about having that lime, that virtually turns this into a variable white fixture as well. That will allow you to achieve virtually any color temperature of white light that you could need for illuminating faces, props on stage, just any general purpose white light. In fact, the range is as low as 2700 Kelvin and as cool as 10,000 Kelvin. It's got a variable white channel that makes it very easy for you to pre-mix the different color temperatures of white that you might need for your application. And not only did we give you different types of DMX channel modes, some that are very elaborate that allow you full pixel control and some that are very simplistic, allowing you to run the fixture very easily, we also gave you Virtual CMY. That's right. In the Virtual CMY mode, this fixture is going to act just like a subtractive color mixing engine. That means when you're using CMY with other fixtures, maybe some spots or profile on your stage, you'll be able to select this fixture as well and use the same color picker and have it react in the same way if you prefer. When it comes to control, of course you've got DMX control. You also have a built-in Wi-Fi wireless DMX transmitter built in as well. This will also do ArtNet, SACN, and CleanNet compatible as well. Now let's talk a little bit about the hardware of this unit. You'll be happy to know that you do have pan and tilt locks built into the fixture, which will make loading and unloading this from your case or your rig very, very easy and reliable. When it comes to connectors, on the back you're going to find a 5-pin DMX in and through, as well as an RJ45 in and through, and for power we use a locking IP65 rated power in and through as well. On the display, you'll find a very familiar 6-button touchscreen display that's full color. This also has a battery backup, which is quite convenient. So for those of you who need to set addressing and DMX parameters or any other parameters on the light before power's been turned on, you just press and hold the button for a few seconds, it will turn on and it will give you enough time to make those settings without the fixture being plugged in, which is really convenient. And lastly, let's talk about the build quality. This is a very robust tour grade quality build, and in fact it weighs a mere 42 pounds, which makes it extremely light for its class. Again, something this big is powerful enough for arenas, outdoor events, large scale churches, you name it, this is going to have the power to do it. And again, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ. This is the new Focus Flex L19, and if you need any other information, please reach out to www.adj.com.